Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be swapping out my cloverleaf antenna for a little whip antenna. Now, the only reason I'm doing this is really just for experimental purposes. I don't really have any issues with the cloverleaf per se. I have noticed that, at some point I'm going to end up destroying it to where I can't use it anymore because I keep, I crash a lot. It just happens. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to put this one on, see if it works, for me anyway. And then we're going to take it out for a test flight. I'm just taking the outside coating off so I can expose the ground. So, I'm hoping that I get pretty decent results with this. I don't necessarily expect the best, but anything's good. Anything's better than nothing. And like I said, with me crashing all the time, I don't want to have to try to keep these kind of antennas on hand when I can just have these, because these seem to be pretty good, and I've watched plenty of videos where I've seen good results, so I have some faith. Alright, so I've got that shielding off. Let's see if we can get that to focus at all. Looks pretty wild right now. What we'll do is we'll just pull this off. I'm going to split these in half so that I can twist them up. You'll notice here in the center, if it'll focus, there we go. So you see where I've split them. Those are our grounds. The center is our actual antenna wire. You can see that it's coming out the top here. So we'll go ahead and we'll get these twisted up and we'll pre-tin them. And then we'll skin this antenna wire, pre-tin that. And then we're going to connect it to the board. We'll turn things on and see how it looks. Alright, we got our antenna wire. We're going to twist that up too, really carefully. Alright. Focus. See, there we go. So we're all tinned up. Pull this back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these two pieces to these pads here. So we've got our ground wires that go here and here. And we've got this little pad down there. That's where we're going to put our antenna wire. So I'm going to start with that first. Give myself just a little bit of solder here. Tap the little bit that I got there. So we will we're just going to add a little bit to there. Alright, so we're good. See that wire is nice and clean. We're going to take these, trim these back just a hair on each side. going to take these, we're going to fold them in, we're going to get some solder on there. Alright, so make sure it's nice and secure. That's pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and plug this in. Alright, so now I've got my little monitor going. I'm going to plug in the battery and see how it looks. And we've got, let's see if that'll, got reception. Looks good. So now we'll take it out for a little flight. And I'll cut back for you guys for that. Alright guys, let's see how she flies first. Oh, of course, battery's dead. Alright, let's take her for a flight, see how she looks. Not too bad. Just taking into consideration that I'm really close still. Seems to work. Alright, let me know what you guys think. If you want to see some more stuff, just go ahead and throw some comments down in the comment section.